Yo, what's good, everybody? It's your boy Kimo Komisha. So I'm back again with another video. But during this video, I'm just gonna show you guys the trades that I have currently, the setups that I have for this week, and explain everything that's happening. I just want this video to be short. I don't want it to be too long. So might as well go to it. So right, these setups that I'm showing right here, already I've sent them to my Discord channel, and some I've sent them to my Telegram channel. These ones are new. Okay, starting from starting from March, February. I think it was on Sunday. So this is the setups that I had for this group. Like I said, I'm gonna send 3 setups. Sometimes I might go even further and send more as a bonus, But yeah, let's go to the charts. There's a link on my description for this Telegram channel. So this is AUD CAD, right? So AUD CAD, if you look into this was like liquidity here, liquidity paired. It looks like equal lows. You can call it equal lows. Also here, liquidity was taken out, right? But out of all the setups that I've done, this one I'm not gonna enter because it's not clear. I don't have clear break of structure, change of character on either side of the market, right? So on AUD CHF, I think AUD CHF is about to be invalidated because we had a break of structure as the market kept on going up. If you look into this, from the previous week, price have been respecting structure, and 75% was the 75% level here was respected, and price took out this high, showing us that we're going for break of structure again. So I was hoping this would come here. So on Sunday it was running somewhere around here, and then it went up, forming this double top. But I don't really double top or any patterns. I just read break of structure, Fibonacci tool, and break of structure, change of character, and Fibonacci tool. Sometimes I might use demand zone or supply zone, depending on what type of a pair is it. If it's gold, I'll mostly go for supply and demand zone. So AUD JPY is the same story, but this one hasn't taken out this high yet. So if it does take out that high, I might look for another retracement whereby I'm gonna use my Fibonacci tool for the 75% zone. So I took my Fibonacci from this low to that high because this high was taken out, and we're having a break of structure, and the low that caused it was this one. All right. GBP JPY. On GBP JPY, I kind of have mixed feelings about this one. No, sorry, this is GBP AUD. So on GBP AUD, I was waiting for price to come here and take the 75% zone, but a friend of mine he took his Fibonacci from this zone to that zone, and he was eventually tapped in on Monday. But I'm still waiting to see if price will come to the 75% zone or what. But I won't enter anything yet. I'll keep on checking the charts, right? Because last week I took losses, so I don't want to place orders and then get taken out from the market, right? So JPY, this one is tricky, right? This one is tricky because if we look into this, I have this setup. I sent this setup to my Telegram channel last week. Took my Fibonacci from this low to from that high to that low, because we had a change of character at this, and this was the last candle to be at the upper level of that leg, the one that took this one out. Yes, someone might argue that I must put it here, but judging by how I trade, I prefer putting it somewhere there. So if you look into this to the right, it means this 75% zone was respected and it went down, right? But right here, if you look into this, we are having a supply zone, and if you place your Fibonacci from this high to this low, you're looking for sales at this point. But then I don't think these buys would hold, hence I send more setups to the group so that you can actually replace this one in case it doesn't work out, right? Also, from the previous week's market break structure, some of these trades are still valid. It's just that I removed like this watch list and I started over today. Not today actually, but this week because it's a new week. Today is Tuesday actually. It's late at night, right? And Nasdaq, I won't look into Nasdaq for that long because it took me out on the 50 minutes time frame. The only reason why it's here on the weekly watches was because it took me, I was into Nasdaq sales and I took a loss, which made me to be more in drawdown. I actually placed my US30 buys and I'm risking 3%. Yes, I know it's high risk, but it's high risk, high reward. And if I do take a loss, it's okay. I'll find another setup to trade or another pair. Now, this one looks actually clear. So if you look into this on NZD-USD on the 4-hour time frame, we are having liquidity that has grabbed at this point. Liquidity has grabbed here. Hey, what's happening to my mark? Okay, liquidity has grabbed here, and this low was taken out. Also, even this low was taken out. So if you place my Fibonacci from that high to this low, you're looking for price to play around here and actually come to drop, right? But what I've predicted might not actually work out, but eventually you have to use like proper risk. The reason why I'm not entering this one yet is because usually currency pairs take time to actually move. So I'm trying to check USD because I haven't been trading like indices that much. I actually got this setup from Vosi again, aka One Boy Drive, right? We're in the same group. We actually share setups here and there, actually weekly. So here we had a break of structure, actually change of character, man. A change of character somewhere here, then we had a break of structure, and then this demand zone. If you look into this was a sniper entry, but I don't really deal supply and demand, right? Just like you guys know. So if I place my Fibonacci here, 75% zone, the reason why I said like 75% zone was mitigated. Actually, let me see if this template does. I'm just gonna say 75, but I know it's gonna come out as like 75% mitigated, right? So and then this low was the new low, because we had like a high, a lower high, a higher high, a higher low, a higher high. So I'm looking for a higher low to create it somewhere around here in this box, right? That's why I'm looking to take my buys at this 75% zone and actually aim for this high. So yeah, this is basically what I'm looking at this week, and hopefully things will go in my anticipated direction, because if I do take a loss on this one, I'm technically after. No, yes, sorry, I don't want to curse. And I'm about to drop this video, so please don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll leave a comment if you have any suggestion you want to add on this page or any other pair. And if you use like trend line to check your movement, this is actually valid. I know maybe my bias is like based on what I want to work out, what I want to see. I want this thing to work out, so probably I'm seeing this thing as like an Ace plus setup model, and it might not work out, but actually I do believe in this, man. So see you in the next video.